Red wine with a quite dense ruby-red core, still with some evolution without any hints of blue or purple. The rim has taken on a rather ruby towards tawny. Intense nose here. High ripeness. There's some oak. There's this vanilla, leather, classic style that has gotten fairly long aging in wood for sure. Cedar wood and a mix of red and dark berries here, some cassis, dark cherry. Good grip on the palate here. Powerful, full-bodied, good volume, and I think the extract is nicely integrated here. Very powdery tannins, almost like cocoa powder, and fruit has gotten a hint of sweetness. Even if the wine is classically dry, it gives us this generous mouthful of sweet dark fruit. Well balanced, doubtlessly a style, a structure that will keep evolving for a long time. But I take great pleasure in drinking this now. So powerful with lots of fruit, well balanced in terms of tannins and oak, and very long lingering finish.